Okay, till last year means 8th standard. In a 8th standard, till 8th standard, you just know about the math is the only one subject. But now onwards, in a 9th and 10th, 12th also, 11th, 12th, the math is divided into two subjects, in the two parts. In the two parts that we previously, it is called as algebra and geometry. Have you heard about that? Yes, it's algebra and geometry. And in a before 2 years, the algebra is named as now maths 1, mathematics 1, and geometry is named as mathematics 2. Okay, till 8th standard, there is some algebraic function, some formulae, and geometric, some construction, all in one subject, that is math. Now, in a 9th standard, 9 onwards, the algebraic function, whatever the formulas are there, um, algebraic function means there we can use the variables. Okay, so that is the part of algebra, that is means math 1. And geometrical function, that we are doing the construction, there we have to prove something, that is the part of geometry, that means math 2. Okay, so I hope I am clearly audible to everyone. Okay, so here, yes, I am going to teach both subjects, math 1 and math 2. I am going to teach you both subjects, math 1 and math 2. So this is today, our first lecture is of math 1. So in the math 1, the first chapter, there, yes, Nirmiti, I already told you my name, that is teacher Rashmi. So math 1 and math 2 both having the separate books, separate portion, that paper will be also the separate. No workbooks are available, or we are not going to use that workbooks. You have to solve it personally. Okay, some practice sets are there, and after practice set, there is a problem set. Let me clear this first thing. Okay, you have in a first chapter, suppose you have two practice sets. In a chapter 1, we are going to teach the chapter 1 first set. So maybe it has 1.1, 1.2 exercise or practice set, 1.3 and 1.4. How many practice sets are there? 4. And on this practice set, 4 practice set, there is one problem set. There is a one problem set. Problem set 1. This problem set after every chapter there is one problem set. Means when we are completing the exercises, there is a combination of all exercises that we call the problem set, that you have to solve. Yes, all will come from the concept of the chapter that you have to solve. I'm going to solve the questions from exercises, and you all have to solve the questions from the problem set. Okay, no beta, no, workbooks are not there. Okay, and somewhere you have a, suppose you have a doubt in a problem set, because some questions are little bit harder from an exercise, so you can ask me. No, also you have to solve practice set, also you have to solve the problem set also. I am going to explain the concept with the questions in a problem set, sorry, in a practice set. Means from an exercise I am going to take some questions and we are going to solve that. But somewhere some questions are remaining also in a practice set also, because in a practice set much more questions are there. So it is not possible to solve all the questions in one lecture, or we can take for one exercise 2 or 3 lectures. Just wait. First of all, let me clear some things. You are in which section now? You are came here from primary section to secondary section. Is it? Is it? Yes. So you don't, there is no need of workbook. You can write down the questions and you can write down the solutions or answer also. So don't ask me about the workbook now. You are not going to use workbook onwards. Okay. You have to refer the book and you have to solve the sums, or you have to find out the notes or whatever the teachers are giving you questions. Okay. Yes, you can use the notebooks. I think yes. Just like for 8th standard, you purchase all the notebooks from outside. So you have to do the same thing for a 9th standard. Till now, because स्कूल ने अभी तक कुछ डिसाइड नहीं किया नोटबुक का, लेकिन पोर्शन स्टार्ट हो गया है. ओके. और वर्कबुक नहीं है आपको, शायद इंग्लिश में समझ में नहीं आया होगा, तो मैं हिंदी में बता रही हूँ. वर्कबुक्स नहीं है. Yes. So I hope the things are clear about maths. Workbooks are not there. You have to solve the problem set or questions, practice set. In a notebook only. You have to use notebook and textbook only, Prachi. Okay. Now, just wait. Suppose we are taking a set. Now, now the set of a standard 9 textbook. So what you will get? The textbooks of English, Marathi, Hindi, Math 1, Math 2. Then Science 1, Science, then History, Geography. Thank you, Prachi. So this is what a set of book. Yes, civics. So this is what the set of book. Now we can take the examples. Yeah. If you are mentioning the books, which books you are going to collect? There are much more books in a world. Yes. So we have to mention that. Which books? जैसे कि I'm just telling you, from Sunday to Saturday, these things are worldwide the same. Yes. Sunday to Saturday, days of a week, they are worldwide same. But books, if you are telling the books, yes. So this is what the set. Okay. Now here the concept of set is done. Now I am giving you one example, that is all students in a class, all students in your class. So this is a set or not? Students in 9th A, B and C. Is it a set? Yes. Then next is months of a year. Months of a year. Is it a set? Yes. Then next, collection of a number, even number, collection of even numbers. Yes, it is also a set. Okay. Now just tell me, collection of good people. Collection of a good people. Can we can we write it down in a set? Yes, Soumya is saying yes. Mitali is saying no. Can you find out? Just tell me, can you find out the good people? Can you find out the good people? No, we can't find out the good people and bad people from their behavior. So for that, we have to make a search. But fact is that some peoples are good for which people. Some peoples are there. They are good for some peoples and bad for the some people. It is totally depend on experience. Is it? So we can't find out the set of good people or set of bad people. Okay. So whenever the people, if you are asking the people and there is some adjective like that, good or bad, so that doesn't make any set. That doesn't make any set. Okay. So here, now next, just tell me, just wait a minute. Here, chapter 1, set. So first of all, introduction is done. That is, set is a collection of objects. Okay. The objects in a set are called elements. As we took the example of what we took the example, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So these all are the elements of a set. These all are the elements of a set. A well-defined set is a set in which the set. Now, there are some types to write down the set. Now, the things are to write down, how can we write down the set? How can we write down the set? Anybody knows that? How can we write down the set? No. So first method is a roster method. Roster method we also called it is a listing method. What we called is as a listing method. Listing method. Can you define something? Listing. From a name, yes. From a name, you can easily understood that here we have to make the list. Yes, here we have to make the list. It also called as a roster method. Okay. So this is the first method. There we have to make the list. Suppose I am telling you that you have to make the list of the even numbers till 10, up to the 10. So you can easily make the list. What will be the list? What will be the list, or what will be the elements in that? Even numbers. Yes, I think you all know that. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Even numbers up to 10. So there the list is what? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. But how can you write down the list? This is the first method. Okay. So, okay. Just wait. Now the second method is what? Second method is called, just wait. I'm just explaining that all the things. Set builder or rule method. What you can understood from this? This is the second method. This is the second method to write down the set. What you can understood from this, from the name? There is a particular rule for this. Is it? Particular rule or particular formula? Yes. Previous was a listing. There we have to make the list. And here it is rule. Okay. Now, suppose we are in a listing. Suppose I'm telling you, you have to write down the even numbers. You have to write down the even numbers till 10,000. Yes, from 1 to 10,000. Is it possible to make the list for this? No. So for this, we will use the rule method. That is the second method, set builder form. Okay. But how will you write down? Now the next question is, we know that the methods, but how to write down that? So there is a format to write down it. Suppose first of all, we are just taking the example, first example that I took now, even numbers from 0 to 10. So here we have to write down the set. Okay, here we have to write down the set. Just listen carefully. Okay, to write down the set, first of all, we have to use a particular alphabet. Okay, we have to give the name in a particular alphabet. Now it is even number, so I'm just giving it a name E, capital E. Always use the capital letter, okay, to write down the set. E is a set of, okay, E is a set of. Always write down the set in a curly bracket. Okay, so it is, we know that even numbers 2. Yes, Vedant. 2, 4, then 6, then 8 and 10. So here we got the even numbers. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is what the set. This is what the set that we wrote in a listing format or listing method. Here we made the list. Okay. So this one is an easy one. This one is an easy one. Okay. To write down the list. But one more example I'm giving here. Suppose I'm just giving you, as our subject is mathematics. Okay, mathematics. Now you have to write down the letters from the spelling mathematics. You have to make the list. You have to make the list. So I'm just taking it is as a capital X and write down the letters as we are writing down the set. So it should be in a curly bracket. Now just write down the letters. What will be the set? Tell me. The condition. Now in the previous question, it is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So here you can see that M is repeating for how many times? 2 times. Okay. So out of 2, we have to just take it. Yes, Soumya. Out of 2, we have to just take it for one time. In a set, we can't repeat the alphabet or number for a one or more than one. We can't repeat it. Okay. So take for one time only. Then next letter is A. It is also for a 2 times. So we will take for once. Then T. It is also for 2 times. So take for a 1. Then H. It is single. So take it once. Then after H, it is E. Then I, C, S. So here the set is curly bracket is closed. Okay. So never repeat the same number or alphabet. So this is what the set. Yes, Shardul, it is easy. Is it? All of you? Yeah. Now, I'm just giving you a question. Why we are taking here X? We can take any alphabet. To show the set, we can use any letter. Any letter you can use. Okay? Okay. Now the next, I'm just giving you one question. One question to you. That is from your textbook only. Okay. Yes, you have to text me it now. Set of human sensory organs. Set of human sensory organs. Write down the set. You can use any letter to show the set. You can use the first letter of your name also. I want in a proper way, in a set. Set. It should be in a curly bracket, no? What will be the set? My name is Rashmi, so I'm taking R as a capital. Now write down the all sensory organ in between this. Very good, Rohan. Sabrish. Yes. What you have to do? Yes. Mention the letter first. What is the name of the set? Curly bracket should be there, Nandini. Aditi, this is wrong. Dhruv, it is also wrong. I hope you all know that which are the human organs, sensory organs. Yes, Shraddha, it is right. So first it is ध्रुव इतना शॉर्टकट अच्छा नहीं बेटा. It's ear, nose, tongue, then skin, and last one is I. So here the set is completed. So close that curly bracket. So here it is the list. Is it? This is the way to write down the set or to make the list. Okay. So here I hope you understood the listing method or how to write down that set in a listing form. Okay. So we will take the next point. Aryan, there should be the comma in between them. Okay. Now the next point is ruling method. Ruling, rule. So we have to make a rule. Okay. We have to make a rule. Okay. Yeah. So suppose I'm taking a question. Previous we took the question that is of about even number. Even number, no? So write down the even number from 1 to 100. 1 to 100. Can you make the list of this? Yeah, some are saying okay. Now, can you make the list of this 1000? If you are saying yes, that means you just wanted to make the list of 1 to 1000. Okay, okay, good. They are saying no. So even numbers, we can't write down the answer of only one question because we have to find out the other things also. So from 1 to 1000, even numbers from 1 to 1000. You can write down the answer like this. Somebody, yes. Some are saying that suppose it is an even number, so I'm just taking E to show the set, and some are writing down the answer like this. They are giving me the answer like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, dot, 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 dot. You can put the dot. But is it showing a set? That dot dot will go till 1 lakh, 10 lakh? Yes, but we just want up to 1000. So I want a particular list. No, it is not infinite. It is finite. If I'm, yes, if you are showing it in a dot, so it goes as a infinite. Yes, Omya. It goes as a infinite. But we want a list. If it is possible for you, you can make the list. But for me, for this question, it is not possible. It is not possible. I am not saying that it is not possible. It is possible. But it will get very lengthy. It will get very lengthy. No, you can't write down like this also. You can't write down like this also. That is 2, 4, 6 till 1000. Do you know how many even numbers are there? Now I'm just adding one more zero over there because you are thinking this question is very much easy for a listing. Now write down those who are writing down the even numbers from 1 to 1000, they also have to write down the even numbers from 1 to 10,000. Yes, that set will be so big. Yes, that set will be so big. So for that, we have to make the rule. What we have to make the rule? Yeah. So, yes. So how will you make the rule? Even number. Even number means, first of all, 2, 4, 6, 8. They are the multiples of 2. Is it? They are the multiples of 2. Yes? Okay. So we will make the rule for that. That is, even number is a E is a set of E is a set of. Just I'm taking it in a horizontal way, so it is easy. E is a set. I am simultaneously I am reading this set also. E is equal. Okay, equal means is. Yes. E is a set of X. So every even number that we are going to show, it is suppose first X. Okay. Such that this line is called such that. This line is called such that E is set of X such that X. Now you know that from 1 to infinite, they all are the natural numbers. They all are the natural numbers. We can't count that. Okay. So this every 2, 4, whatever the even number, they are also the part of natural numbers. They are also the natural numbers. So this X is nothing but or belongs to. This symbol is for belongs to. This X is belongs to what? Natural number. This capital N means natural number. Capital N means natural number. Okay. Comma. So here, till here, it is done. E is a set of X such that X belongs to natural number. Now, from where to where we want that X, it must be greater than 1 and less than or equal to 10,000. Why I'm putting here equal to? Because 10,000 is also even number. Yes. Whatever I'm writing here, it is all necessary. Yes, Janvi. Here, the two things you can see, that is greater than or equal to. Yes, Sarvesh. It will take time. Okay. What we want that X. That X is even number, because the question is about the even number, no? So we are considering it. Yes. We are considering that even number as a X. लेकिन हमें कहां से कहां तक चाहिए X? We just want the X till 10,000. 10,000 tak. Yes. So we are just taking it from 2, 4 and the starting of the even numbers is from 2. कहां से starting होता है even number का? 2 से start होता है. Is it? 2 से start होता है. Yes, I am going to repeat it. Don't worry, Sarvesh. 2 से start होता है और 10,000 हमें पूछा गया है and 10,000 is also even number, no? तो हमने greater than 1 लिया है. Greater than 1 means it starts with 2. Greater than 1. 2 is a greater than 1. And last number we have, that is a 10,000. लेकिन 10,000 is also itself a even number. So it's equal to. It's equal to. Okay. Now, in a simple way, अब आपको एक simple तरीका पूछती हूँ. Now you have to make a formula or make a list or formula. Suppose here the example, I'm just taking an example. Suppose we have a list like this. एक list question में दिया है, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, लिव इट, सिंपल वाला लेते हैं। और 1 4 9 16 and 25, what are they? What are they? This is the list already given, and from that we have to make a rule. They are the squares. Yes, they are what? Squares. Okay, not square root. They are squares. 1 is a square of 1, 4 is a square of 2, 9 is a square of 3, 16 is a square of 4, and 25 is a square of 5. They all are the squares. Now we have to write down this list. We have to write down this list in a rule. तो कैसे लिखेंगे? How will you write down? Set A. A is a set of every term or every element we are considering as a x. They are the x. So it is x. But this x is a square of a particular number. This x is a square of a particular number. So first of all, it is square of a particular number. So I am writing like this. So every x, A is a set of x such that this x is a square of a particular number. Till here understood? Till here you understood? Okay. Every x is a square of a particular number. अब वो numbers कौन से हैं? Every number. So 1 is a square of a 1. 4 is a square of a 2. It is a square of a 2. It is a square of a 3. It is a square of 4. It is a square of 5. Okay. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4. What are they? They are what? Natural numbers. So what we are going to write down, this small number, this 1, 2, 3, 4, they are belongs to natural number. ये भी हमें लिखना है. Okay. And it is this natural number because n is going to change. Change कौन सा हो रहा है? सिर्फ n change हो रहा है. So it is greater than or equal to 1 and it is less than or equal to 5. 5 क्योंकि लास्ट नंबर 5 है और फर्स्ट 1 है. सिर्फ इक्वल टू नहीं दे सकते ना हम. So we are just giving it greater than or equal to 1, sorry, and less than or equal to 5. Here is the set get completed. So I know some at the starting it will get, you are thinking it is very much difficult, but it is not actually. As this is the first lecture, so you are thinking about that. Okay, as we are doing the more practice, it will get easy. Is it? Okay. So till here, I hope you understand. Yes, I'm going to explain this all the things in the next lecture. Next lecture. Rule, you have to make a rule. आपको एक rule बनाना है. So it will take time, no, to understand. किसी चीज को समझने के लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, उसके बाद ही हम रूल बना सकते हैं. ओके. Yes. We have a numbers that is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Yes, and we know that they are the squares. But they are the squares of a particular number. Okay. Oh, okay. Just first, as we know that every set has an element, and that element we are considering as a x. So 1 is a x, 4 is a x, 9 is a x, 16 is a x, 25 is also a x. So just write down in a rule method, A is a set of x. So this is the everywhere it is a x, x, x and x. तो ये x बना कैसे? X बना कैसे? This every x is a square of a particular number. Yes. So every x is a square of a particular number. Is it? कितना समझ में आया? यहाँ तक समझ में आया ना? तो यहाँ पे जो भी x है, एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ अ सेट इज अ स्क्वायर ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर नंबर. अब वो नंबर्स कौन से हैं? 1 2 3 4 5. They are what? 1 2 3 4 5. And this 1 2 3 4 5, they are belongs to which category of a number? Whole number है, natural number है? Yes, they are the natural numbers. So this is, जैसे कि एक every element is a x, तो ये every number is a n. ये क्या है? n है. So this n is belongs to natural number. This n is belongs to natural number. Okay. अब ये natural number है, but this list is given, that means there are a particular numbers. So natural number starts from 1 to infinity. तो इतने सारे नंबर्स है क्या हमारी लिस्ट में? नहीं है. इतने सारे नंबर्स है हमारी लिस्ट में? नो. वी हैव जस्ट पर्टिकुलर 5 नंबर्स. पर्टिकुलर 5 नंबर्स. तो आप इसे कैसे दिखाओगे? तो इसे दिखाने के लिए ये मेथड हमें यूज करना है. विच? दिस वन. दिस एवरी n. This every n. So it starts from 1 and ends to 5. ऐसे हो रहा है ना? It starts at 1 and ends at 5. So this every n is greater than 1 or equal to 1. Is it equal to 1? Is it equal to 1 or equal to 5? 1 और 5 के बीच में है? Yes. So हम डायरेक्टली ऐसे दिखा सकते हैं क्या? n is equal to 1 and equal to 5. ऐसे दिखा सकते हैं? तो वो 1 और 5 ही कंसिडर होगा. व्हाट अबाउट द बिटवीन नंबर्स? तो इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पे ग्रेटर देन 1, बिकॉज ग्रेटर देन 1 इज 2 3 4 and also less than 5 is also 2 3 4, and to take a 5 we are just putting a equal, and to take a 1 we are yes putting here a equal. Is it clear now? To show the numbers in between 1 to 5, we are using this greater than and less than. Okay, greater than 1, that means it is more than 1, that is 2 3 4 5 6 7 to infinity. But if you are taking less than 5, so we are considering it is 1 2 3 4 and 2. Less than 5 अगर सिर्फ बोलते, so it will be up to 1 2 3 4. अगर less than 5 बोला है तो 1 2 3 4 और negative numbers भी आते. So it is less than or equal to 5, so we have just taking it 5. Okay, so I hope till here it is clear.